So apparently this could solve all our issues, this tiny little board. Okay. At the time of filming this, it's Thursday today. We were supposed to do a practice session at Sunrise Circuit on Wednesday, preparing the car on Monday and Tuesday. We finished Tuesday at like 6 p.m. The car, like, the keypads would not turn on. We've been having wiring issues like from the start. Basically, Phil did the engine harness originally for the Tacoma, which is where the R32 was supposed to go in. And then when I decided I was doing Formula Drift and I couldn't get the R34 here, so we took that motor and everything we had for it and put it in the R32. Jamison, my old mechanic, he did the chassis harness on this car, didn't finish the interior, and when Phil got here, they did it together.
No, honestly, it just got rushed.
And so we've had wiring issues since day one. We had 2 PDMs and 2 keypads. Nothing like communicated correctly. There was issues with the canbus system. A PDM failed, so then we got a PDM 30, put that in, migrated to the PDM 30, and just again stopped working and had another issue. So there's a wiring guy out here that works with the Good Ride guys here. He's been trying to fix the canbus system, no luck. Today is just like open practice day. It's not part of the Formula Drift yet. Tomorrow will be like official practice, but let's go check out the car. All right, so before we check out the car, apparently I can't run a license plate.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
It's a discontinued license plate, but they said we can't run it, so no cool JDM license plate. Sad, I like that thing. Here's the car. I'll show you guys inside. The wiring is a complete mess. So we were in here trying to get like everything kind of working together and get the keypads to work. So now what we're gonna try to do is just put regular switches, trigger everything with switches. Unfortunately, that means like some of the features like anti-lag as well as the nitrous, we don't have set up to just be manually triggered. They're like the ECU is doing things. So we'll be missing those things, but we should be able to get like the pumps on, the fans, all that stuff, have an ignition button, and go out and drive. So I'm, to be honest, I'm not super hopeful, but we're gonna give her a go. If anything, we'll have tomorrow to get a little bit of practice in. But you guys can see the chaos that is the wiring right now. So yeah, there's like a whole mess of stuff. It's chaotic. So this guy's an absolute madman. He's just like, has this whole freaking setup over here out of his truck, and I guess he just travels around and this is his job. He just does sick wiring stuff. So what he's doing is not anything permanent. He's gonna do this as kind of a quick fix, just to get us out there. So I guess this is racing, ladies and gentlemen, so welcome. Yeah, look at the freaking van setup. He's got like everything he could ever need. There's stuff over here. This guy's cool, I'm not gonna lie. All right, well, Thursday practice is over. My man's is still going to town on the wiring. It's 3 p.m. I don't know exactly where we're at. He looks like he's got some stuff plugged up and is doing some testing. So it looks like, here, we'll go around the other side, but it looks like he has the keypads in there and hooked up to some stuff. Oh my God, this is so crazy in here. So yeah, keypads, wires going in and going all over the place. I'll be honest, I don't know exactly how he's doing this. I know that there's outputs, or like the signal wires, because it's CAN, all come into the PDM. And so, yeah, I don't even know where we're gonna mount the buttons, what's gonna go on. Yeah, hopefully we can get this thing running today. Stay tuned. Looks like he's getting there, making some progress. He's got keypads kind of wired up. To be honest, I don't exactly know where else he's at, but this is crazy. I've never thought we'd be rewiring a car at the event, just trying to make the event. It's so crazy. But all right, so we got headlights on. I don't know what that means, but there's some electricity flowing, so I think that's good. I don't know where we're at right now. It's 5:13 Thursday. So I'm hoping we can get this thing running tonight, and then tomorrow we'll have a whole day of practice, but we'll see. Also, if you guys are wondering how I'm not holding the camera. Yeah. All right, well, the night continues. Basically, so I don't know what we're gonna do at this point. We need to talk a little bit more about it, but this is super nerdy talk, so I apologize for you guys. He tried putting all the switches as inputs into the PDM and use that to like program those kind of as a new keypad in a way to try to bypass the CAN system, but it's not working. There's just something inherently wrong with the harness. I don't know what we're gonna do. I mean, now I don't know if we're gonna have time to make it, but I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna talk to the boys soon here.
6.5 hours later.
Let's just make it like not permanent, just like get it done so we can drive it, because we're gonna have to go back and rewire the whole interior of the car anyways.
とりあえずこれにやって、で今回終わったら配線を全部やり直す。そうしましょう。Yeah, let's do that. 配線を全部 PDM 30.
New game plan is this CAN switchboard. Essentially, he thinks he can take all the signals, go to the CAN switchboard, and then just like one CAN line to the PDM, and that may work. It looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. Hold up. There we go. Focus. All right, whatever. Aaron, drop that on screen. CAN switchboard module. My man's is gonna give it a go, and we'll see. But it's 8 p.m. Thursday night right now, and tomorrow is our official practice day, and then qualifying Saturday. So, oh, there we go. He pulled one out. It's sealed up, but yeah, kind of looks like a big condom. I don't know if I should say that on YouTube. So apparently, this could solve all our issues. This tiny little board. I would be lying if I said I think this is gonna freaking solve all the issues, but at this point, this is like, it's not how racing should be done, but it's how we're doing it right now, and kind of I feel like the cards that have been handed to us. Good morning. So it's now official practice day. I guess they got the car to start last night. I went back because I wanted to make sure I was rested for today. Apparently we're gonna try to drive this thing. Next thing we gotta do is figure out where to mount all these switches. I don't really have a good spot. I don't want to drill into the dashboard, so that's a minor issue, I guess. Yeah, apparently we're gonna go drive, so that's exciting. Well, it is raining pretty good. It sounds like the car is gonna work, so stay tuned for the next video. If you enjoyed this one, watch this video right here and hit that subscribe button. Peace.